Here's the news of the day for April 16th of 2025.
Helijet donates a Sikorsky S-76A helicopter to Ukraine for medical evacuations. Ukrainian engineers trained to reassemble the aircraft amid calls for broader aviation industry support in humanitarian crises.
Skytrac and Sikorsky unveil real-time HUMS for S-92 helicopters, utilizing Iridium Certus Satcom for in-flight safety alerts and global data transmission, balancing operational gains against retrofit costs.
Skyports acquires Australia's Redbird Aero to deploy heavy cargo drones for remote healthcare and inspections, targeting operational launches by June 2025, amid challenges of scaling in vast, regulated landscapes.
Lifters HEXA eVTOL completes demo flights at Osaka Expo with partner Marubeni, advancing urban air mobility amid unresolved global certification hurdles for personal flying vehicles.
Despite recent market turbulence, Joby Aviation's stock has remained relatively stable, with major investor SMIT backing its Middle East and U.S. air taxi launches as long-term growth drivers.
Gulfstream's G800 earned FAA and EASA certification with enhanced range and speed, now offering up to 8,200 nautical miles and Mach Point 935 performance for global business travel.
Bridger Aerospace appointed Megan Pasricha to its board, bringing expertise in climate finance and capital strategy to support the company's long-term growth and investment goals.
The Senate passed a bipartisan bill allowing the Department of Defense to sell surplus aircraft and parts to wildfire contractors through 2035, strengthening aerial firefighting efforts nationwide.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.